Hi everyone, I am Maxon Joy Baloca, and on behalf of my group, I am presenting to you our consolidated data. So the first question is, how many answered yes or no for each item? And what percentage is yes and what percentage is no? So as we can see in the table, it was labeled above the number of items, number of participants who answered yes or no, and the percentage. In items 1, 2, and 3, you can see that all of the participants said yes, therefore giving us 100% of yes and 0% of no. So here, we can see that in item number 4, there are 18 participants who said yes and there are 2 who said no, therefore giving us a 90% of yes and a 10% of no. And as for item number 5, all of the participants said yes, so that gives us 100% of yes and 0% of no. And as for the item number 6, there are 17 of the participants who said yes and 3 of it said no, which give us a 85% of yes and 15% of no. And as for item number 7, all of the participants said yes, therefore giving us a 100% of yes and a 0% of no. Here, we can see that in item number 8, there are 18 participants who said yes and 2 of it said no, therefore giving us 90% of yes and 10% of no. As for item number 9, there are 19 participants who said yes and 1 who said no, therefore giving us a 95% of yes and a 5% of no. As for item number 10, all of the participants said yes, therefore giving us 100% of yes and a 0% of no. As for the next question, which of the 10 items has more yes than no? Rank the items with more yes and rank the items with more no. So as you can see in the table, there's a rank of items, number of items, and the total number of yes and no. So as for the first rank, the items number 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, and 10 got it, which has a total number of 20 yes and a 0 no. As for the second rank, the item number 9 got it, which has a total number of 19 yes. And as for the third rank, the items number 4 and 8 got it, which has 18 yes. And as for the fourth rank, the item number 6 got it, which has a total number of 17 yes. Now, let's proceed to our findings. The question is, what meaning can you derive from your results? Based on our results, most of the teachers are using digital and non-digital learning resources for their teaching, and all of them are aware of the policies that guide them in the use of ICT tools, but few of them aren't aware of the ethical and legal responsibilities with the use of ICT tools. Thus, we can deduce from these results that teachers nowadays are using technology in their teaching. But despite with the use of these technologies, they're still using non-digital learning resources for their teaching to develop the quality of their teaching as well as for the learning of the learners. Now, let's move to our conclusion. From the survey conducted, we further conclude that with the use of technology, teaching makes fast and convenient for every teachers in delivering their respective classes. It allows for new learning methods for students and teachers, especially e-learning during online class and using PowerPoint, video presentation, and many more on a face-to-face basis. Furthermore, the effective use of digital learning tools in classroom can increase students' engagement, help teachers improve their lesson plans, and facilitate personalized learning. That also helps students build essential 21st century skills. And that's all. Thank you.